Hi guys, so we just finished the Trinity party tonight and it was like over 300 people attending, so it's a little bit crowded and very loud, so we can have a good chance to show you the demo. So now we're gonna shoot a little video here and to show you how this looks like. Okay, so this will be a little demo for the Trinity app. Okay, this is the interface. This is where you can see the on-chain balance, and there's a channel balance where you put your deposit. It is 0 because this wallet hasn't opened any state channel yet. This is the address, and from here you can access all these features. For example, you have like normal on-chain transaction, and this is where you start a state channel with someone else. So we're gonna try it. So we're gonna hit start. And this is where you scan the address of the counterparty you're going to do transaction. Of course, you can import from the address book. So we're gonna scan it. Okay, so now I got the address of the counterparty here. Now, you see there's a time limit of the state channel where I can set it between, sorry, my fingers, okay, between 1 day to 30 days, and actually the state channel can last as long as you want, okay? But there are economic limitations on this. I'll explain later. Okay, let's set it at 19 days. And this is where I put in the deposits, okay? So for example, I put in 1000 TNC as deposit. Hit next. And I will input the password here. So we start to establish the state channel. Currently, this is running on new testnet. On this side, you can see the channel is, just added a new one. It's opened, okay, from the same block height. And now, the state channel is established. So I can send from this side to this side, all in channel payments, okay? So for example, I can send, let's say, 100 TNC. Do remember that you cannot exceed the deposited amounts. If you want to, send more money, you have to put in more deposits. Okay, so that's actually the economic limit. Now, the password part will be on our iOS version. You can use Face ID or Touch ID to activate it. So saves the hassle of sending this with a password every time. So that's a success, okay? Instance, and from this side we refresh. So added 100 TNC. Okay, this is the in-channel thing. So if we go back to the home page, you'll see that we still have 900 TNC in the channel balance, which is serving as a deposit here. On this side, you will see 100 actually has 5 TNC in channel before, so now it has 105 in the channel balance. Okay, that's considering your wallet already. But let's see, let's show this again. If I want to send it again, let's send them 50. In channel payment, instant, and there you go, minus 50 balance. There you go, refresh, 50 more, right? So now, anytime you want between these days, you can one side of the party can decide to terminate the state channel. So you just hit close the channel. Okay, it will be closed, but we will show the interface later. Actually, this part is an on-chain transaction to settle the state channel on the new blockchain. So back to the interface, you can see the on-chain balance has been added, while on the side it has been minused. Okay, another feature of our interface I want to introduce to you guys is this token swap function. We're still developing it. This is about normal users. We consider normal users in the future when they are purchasing these app tokens on Neo. Most of the time they should be purchasing the exact amount they want to buy a certain service or product, not as traders to buy a large quantity. So we built this interface where they can easily swap their Neo or TNC into the desired app token at a very small amounts. And right directly within the app, they can send these tokens to their merchants or trading counterparty, and it's instant payments. So that's all. That's it for the Trinity app for now. But when we are going to launch this, I think we'll add like approximately 70% more features of what you're seeing right now, but I cannot disclose what those will be. Okay, and yeah, thank you for your time. Okay.